Hey friends, how you doing? Thank you for joining us for yet another film on the channel regarding something that I am observing with Shiba Inu's. I would want to provide you with an update. From the perspective of price action, it does not appear that the price is doing much. Nevertheless, I am beginning to see a lot of indicators on the back end, and I would want to share them with you. As a result, let's take a look at what's going on, what these positive indicators signify, and a great deal more concerning today. Let's not squander any more time and get right down to business, shall we? It is important to keep in mind, gentlemen, that you can trade a little amount of SHIB on leverage of up to 50x and other cryptocurrencies on leverage of up to 500x. In spite of the fact that you can check out the BTCC link that is provided below, I do not believe that you should go all the way up to 500x leverage. Guys, if you sign up for the service using my link, you will receive a 10% bonus on your initial investment, which can range anywhere from $500 to $100,000. This indicates that if you put in, for example, $2,000, they will immediately return $200 to you so that you can engage in trading on the market. This results in a total of $600 or $700 for you. The money that you make is entirely yours, gentlemen. Take it out, spend it, put it back in, or do whatever else you want with it. You have complete control. This is a genuine opportunity to obtain something at no cost that is an incredible chance. About 40 to 30% of the time, I trade on BTCC by myself. This is common practice these days. Take a look at it down below and make use of that prize while you still have the opportunity to do so, because it won't be there for very long. For the purpose of providing you with some background information about Shiba Inu, this decision is what we have been keeping an eye on. This is what we informed them. Listen, you are aware that the price of Shiba Inu has just broken through macro structures. It goes without saying that this descending channel, this inverse head and shoulders, and that downward channel in the inverse head and shoulders, we instructed them to look. As a result of the price breaking up, it will not be simple, quick, or rapid. Expect to experience some bumps and bruises, because there will be both highs and lows. Nevertheless, that is not a problem, because I believe that Shiba Inu is currently making its approach to our breakout zone, which may be somewhere between the 38 and 48 level. Is that correct? Is it okay if we move up here to the level of 38 to 47, 37 to 48? Therefore, as the breakout started, I told you not to be surprised if we saw a pullback, a restart, a cool down, or a back test. I also cautioned you not to be surprised if we saw this. It is possible for all of these positive things to take place. They are wonderful. Shiba Inu's should develop in a manner that is consistent over the course of their lives. It is not something that we want to happen that it reaches level 7 and then remains there for 2 years without doing anything. We are not interested in short-term progress. Rather, we are looking for long-term progress. And I told you that moments like this are very crucial, because they will allow the bulls to relax, allow the bears to get some steam, and allow those liquidations to get ready. In that case, Shiba Inu has the ability to propel it through those levels and upwards towards our breakout zone. Over the past week or two, we have been keeping a close eye on Shiba Inu because it has been going in a perpendicular direction. Today, I would want to provide you with a report on that. I will let you know that I have a guide for folks who are new to technical analysis. If there is anything that occurs to me that appears to be either difficult or convoluted, the film is 30 minutes long and spans 17 pages. It also includes cheat sheets. It is available in the Discord channel that is listed at the conclusion of this video. If you are an experienced trader who does not require a lesson for beginners, I will demonstrate how to get it through my demonstration. There is a need for things to improve for you. It is imperative that you remain in this location because something was released today that I believe you will find to be very enjoyable. That is something that will be discussed at the conclusion of the video. So just stay there, take a look at Shiba Inu, and let's see where we are at this point. To give you an example, in the movie that we watched yesterday, we witnessed SHIB's price decrease. Is it true that we used to travel in this direction? All of you were aware that this particular moment would be of great significance. My goal is to determine whether or not the price of SHIB can begin to stabilize or whether it is simply going to begin skyrocketing through this. Due to the fact that we had the falling channel, the consolidation, and then the breakout, I was concerned about it. The danger is that if this breakout does not materialize, prices may continue to fall and may possibly move through the zone where they were previously consolidating. In this particular scenario, SHIB might have dropped below the 2.2 or 2.1 level in a very short amount of time. However, I ask you to pay attention to what I said. It is imperative that we maintain a close check on this situation and determine whether or not current support levels are going to remain stable. In the event that they do, it will undoubtedly reveal to us whether or not this thing is going to genuinely crash. If the price of SHIB is able to establish a base here or not, this will be obvious. Because of this, we kept a careful eye on that. During the past 24 hours, there have been a number of really encouraging indicators, as we can see now. That is the topic that I would like to discuss today. The fact that SHIB's pricing was able to maintain its stability in the face of support was a very encouraging indicator. In addition to that, it is taking place at a time when the majority of the market is performing poorly, right? There has not been a significant increase or decrease in the price of like SHIB in tandem with the market, but there has also not been a significant decrease. In addition, the fact that today is such a day is actually quite fortunate due to the fact that you can see we have this small candle that had a handle, a small hammer light, which is a sign of strength for the bulls, is sorry for the inconvenience. In addition to that, there was a small hammer light, which indicates that the price has decreased all the way. The bull, however, came along and pulled it back up to these levels where it had been previously, putting a stop to the day here. To put this into perspective, it is a really positive development when a cryptocurrency is able to maintain some backing at this point in time. When we take a closer look at this, we can see that the price bounced back up after falling to the short-term Fibonacci area. The bears have been effective in maintaining a low price, while the bulls have been able to maintain a constant price throughout the entire market. There has been no lagging behind. In situations where it is crucial, such as when we reach these green levels or our support zones, they intervene immediately. It was because of this that the price went up, and it happened once more the day before yesterday. When this market does finally go up, when the bulls take back control, it won't be hard for the price of a ship to drop out of this range and generate a great chance. This is because the bulls will have regained control of the market. You are aware of what Solana made, right? Let us hurry and make our way to Solana. What do you recall about this? Taking a glance at what he did, it is clear that Solana walked into this large and historic region. Everyone, it has been such a long time since we have been traveling up and down, up and down, up and down. Although the bears were now in the lead, the bulls refused to give up. We sent it directly out of the zone as soon as the bears started to lose. And I anticipate that the same thing will happen with SHIB. What we witnessed over the course of the past 3 days was therefore really impressive. there should be a lot more people aware that this is healthy because it is significantly better than what they believe it to be. Getting these pumps and cooldowns is beneficial because they provide us with a stable foundation from which we may push ourselves to achieve higher levels. It is my intention to inform you that the pricing has not changed significantly over the course of the past 24 hours. More and more of a foundation is being laid by it. What is taking place is being maintained by the bulls, who are becoming more powerful with each passing day. Because of this, I have come to the conclusion that I will continue to make use of the dollar cost